Welcome to your Disney Magical Adventures. We are at Walt Disney World's Magic Kingdom in Orlando, Florida, and about to go on Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. You are going to see this ride in its entirety from start to finish. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button so you get all the latest content. And comment below with which ride you would like to see next. This ride first opened on September 23rd, 1980, and quickly became a fan favorite. The story behind this ride is that it's a mountain that is haunted and cursed by angry spirits because of a greedy prospector named Barnabas Bullion. He ignored the warnings and he dug too deep into the sacred mountain looking for gold. So now we're the ones who have to deal with the mountain's revenge, including the swarm of more than 2,000 glowing bats. From January 2025 till May 3rd, 2026, Big Thunder Mountain Railroad has been shut down for refurbishment, including completely replacing the track to make a much smoother ride, which also allows for a lower height requirement. So now if you're 38 inches or under, you can ride this ride. The refurbishment also worked in the favor of Barnabas Bullion. Will he get the gold mother lode? You'll have to watch to find out. And don't worry, along with a smoother ride, the speed of the track has actually increased. And even though the elements of the ride itself are what most people enjoy, Disney Imagineers also used that 16 months to restore the smokestacks that were not actively smoking before. They also worked on some classic animatronic figures throughout the mountain. Those figures were completely refreshed and repainted. So now the entire scene has a much more vibrant and lively color to it. So now let's sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride along with all those refurbishments that have just been made. And that was the new and improved Big Thunder Mountain Railroad at Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. We hope you enjoyed the ride. As always, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and hit that notification button for more content like this. Whether it's Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom, Epcot, or Hollywood Studios, comment below with which ride you would like to see next. And if you have any fun facts or trivia about any of the rides, leave it in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you. Until next time, thank you for watching.